No, that should be done in the notebook only, because in the books much space is not there. So this you do in the notebook. This you okay now raise your hand. Only raise your hand. Okay. Uh, when I ask you the question, don't speak. Don't say anything. Take your time. If you know the answer, want to give answer. So want when pollinated flowers produce large quantity of pollen grain. Raise your hand. What I told you. Don't speak. Just raise your hand. Yes. Section second, give reason for the following. The first one, when pollinated flower produce large quantity of pollen grain. Now raise your hand. Yes, Nadia, you tell me. No, this is what is the question? What is the question? When pollinated flower produce large quantities of pollen grains. Why? Why they produce large quantity of pollen grain? The question is this. Are you getting what you are means? What is the question? Yes, Kulsum, tell me. You okay? Means okay. This is the reason. Yes, of course they are because they are carried by the wind. So most of them they are damaged, and so to increase the chance of pollination, they they produce large quantity of pollen grain to increase the chances of pollination. To increase the chances of pollination, because most of them they are damaged due to the what you can say, the current of air. They fallen on the wrong places, means there are what you can say, the all pollen grains are not reached to the specific site. So they are produced in large quantity to increase the chances of pollination. Now the next question. Yes, beta. It's simple. They are large in quantity to increase the chances of pollination, because they carried by the wind. There are chances to destroy most of them, because when the wind carries the pollen grain, most of them they damage. Some are fallen on the ground, some are fallen on the wall, some are fallen on the water bodies. So few are reached only to the specific site, to the stigma, means where they are needed. Got it now? Okay, now the second one, raise your hand. Flowers pollinated by the insects are sweetly scented. These wind pollinated flowers, they produce large quantity of pollen grain to increase the chances of pollination. To increase the chance of pollination. Now the second one, flowers pollinated by insects are sweetly scented. Reason, raise your hand. Raise your hand, only 3 hands. Yes. What I say, don't speak, just raise your hand. Yes, Hamza, Hamza, you tell me. Hamza Hamar. Hamza Hamar. Yes, strictly scented. Why? Yes, to attract the insects. They produce the scent. As in the question, small listen. As in the question, flower pollinated by insects are sweetly scented, so there is no need to explain the colorful pattern and other features. You just have to tell what is the use of the sweetly scented means the sweet scent they are produced. Why? What's the need of it? So the need of it that to attract the insects, because insects are the or insects to attract the animals. Animals are also the agent of pollination. So when they come to the sweet scent, uh, they leave the pollen grain there. They carry the pollen grain from one flower, and when they visit to the other, they just what you can say drop there. So second one is to attract the animals for the pollination. To attract the animals for the pollination. Now the third one, what I told you, mute your mic, and when you want to say something, that time only you unmute your mic. Now the third one, self-pollination is not possible in case of unisexual flower. Reason. Yes, Kulsum. Again you started. Who has started? Raj. This is Rashid Ali. Who is this? Answer of what? To attract the insect for the, to attract the animals for the pollination. To attract the animals for the pollination. This is the answer or the reason for the second. Now the third one. I asked the third one also. You raise your hand. Uzum, I asked from you. Third one. Self-pollination is not possible in case of unisexual flowers. Okay. Very good, mashallah. Very good. Because for the self pollination, both the organs means both the sex organs or both the reproductive parts are important, because the male and female both are necessary to be there in the same flower. If the only one sex organ is there in one flower, then it's not possible, because here only the one and another is also needed for it. So self-pollination is not possible in unisexual flower, because only the one reproductive part is there in unisexual flower. Yes, yes, this is the reason. Very good. Now the fourth one, just raise your hand. Don't speak. Dry seeds cannot germinate on its own. Dry seeds cannot germinate on its own only, means they cannot germinate. Why are you not attentive in class? If I'll do this only means the third, second one, then how will I complete the exercise? I think already is the third period in discussion only. So just be attentive. And this time I'm telling, and next time I'll not tell you again. Be attentive. at that in the class only. What I am saying, self pollination is not possible in case of unisexual flower, because for the self pollination both the six organs are important, and in unisexual flower only one sex organ is there. Now here, Kulsum, just tell me the fourth one. Again, beta, and a bit louder because your voice is not audible. Because seeds need water to germinate, and water is the what you can say the important factor for the germination. No, it is correct, because water is needed for the chemical reaction. Because water is the important factor for the germination, and it is needed for the chemical reaction for enzymatic activities within the seed. So without water, seed cannot germinate. Means in journal you can understand with this, like the food which is stored in the seed that cannot be used by the seed if water is not there, because water makes the seed soluble, and in the soluble form only the seed can use, the embryo which is there in the seed can utilize that. So the stored food which is there in the seed, that will be converted into the soluble form, and the different chemical reaction is started. As a result, the embryo gets energy, and that energy utilized to grow, because without energy it cannot grow. All the living organisms need energy to grow, to survive. Without continuous supply of energy, a living organism cannot survive. So water is necessary for the chemical reaction. Enzymatic actions or activities occur inside the seed during the what you can say germination. What is the important factor which is needed for the germination? What is the important factor which is needed for the germination? Because it what is which initiate the chemical reaction. Okay, then next exercise, following term. I think so. These terms you can write, because all the terms are there in the book, and you can write from the book. You have to explain cotyledon, what is cotyledon, what is embryo, write about the pollination, explain the pollination, explain the process of fertilization, what is germination. These are all the terms you have to write, and these all are there in the book. You just have a look on the chapter, and you'll be getting it. Then the next exercise, differentiate between the following. Here you have to write the differences between them, means what is the difference between self-pollination and cross-pollination. So you have to explain the self-pollination and the cross-pollination. Make the columns, and then you write the differences between the both. In the same way, all four you have to do. Then the next is short answer question. Then the short answer question. The first one, what do you understand by thymus? Raise your hand. Mantasha, you tell me. Mantasha, good, mashallah. So have you understood what is thalamus? Swollen part of pedicel where the floral part are seated or what you can say attached. Swollen part of pedicel where the floral part means where all the balls of the flowers are what you can say joined or seated or present. Okay. Now the next one. State the function of calyx in corolla. Raise your hand. Cherish. Cherish. Ubeda. Ubeda. Yes. Which question I asked just now? Tell me the question only. That's good. Now, Isma, you tell me the answer. Hamza Khamar. Yes. Yes, Kusum, you also tell the same question, answer of the same question. Hmm. Main function of corolla is yes to attract the animals for the pollination. Yes. So the function of the calyx is to protect the flower in the bud stage, and the function of the corolla is to attract the animals for pollination. Now the next question, just raise your hand without just speaking any word. Just raise your hand if you want to say. What are the parts of stamen and carpel? Ahmad Ali Abdullah. What are the parts of stamen and carpel? Yes. Yes. Hmm? One at a time. Ahmad Ali Abdullah, when I asking you, you are not telling. Now let Hamza tell. Yes, very good. The part of the stamen is filament and anther, and the part of the carpel is the stigma style ovary. Very easy and simple answer. The next, now move to the next question, and that is What I told. What I told. Raise your hand. When I allow you, then only you tell. Ahmad Ali Abdullah, don't disturb the class like this. When I asked you, you did not reply. Now I asked. So when I'll allow you, then only you will speak. If all the student of the class start doing this thing only what you are doing, then will you able to study in class? That is not the point that you. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Who is this, ma'am? Tell the question. Who is this? Who asked the question? Just now I told you is like be attentive in class. On which question I am and what question I ask, these things again and again I have to tell you. And I told you just raise your hand and I'll give you chance. If I'll give you chance, then only you speak. Means if 20 students are there in the class or 25 or 30, everybody start doing this only. Then how will I'll block you, Ahmad Ali Abdullah. Ahmad Ali Abdullah, I'll block you if you start doing the same thing. If Ahmad Ali Abdullah, you will disturb the class like this as you are disturbing, I'll block you. Follow the instruction just like a good student. Yes, Nadia, what do you want to say? Yes, Nadia. Nadia? Now I'm asking from you. You were speaking a lot when I was talking with Ahmad Ali Abdullah. Now you are not saying anything. Nadia, I'm asking you something. What were you asking?
Where are you? That is disconnected. Can anyone tell me?
Ahmad Ali Abdullah, have I asked you that is she reconnected or disconnected?